Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following cars, trucks, airplanes, motorbikes. So now let's check with me from the right side. Now check from this one. តើបងប្អូនឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការ check បាទ check ឡានទៀតហើយបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ check ឡានទៀតហើយយើងបាទយើងធ្វើការ check ឡានដល់យើង check បាទមួយនេះមុនបាទនេះបងប្អូន mini airplane បាទ a very nice airplane, very cute airplane. បាទ very nice បាទស្អាតមែនទែនបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នា airplane មួយនេះ I have to put some water បាទយើងដាក់ទឹកបន្តិចទៅអានេះ helicopter បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ helicopter very nice helicopter បាទ helicopter everybody very nice helicopter. Now check the next one. បាទអ្នកនរគ្នាអានេះគឺប្រភេទ die cast បាទ die cast car from die cast product. A very nice die cast car, mini car, a very nice mini car, very interesting mini car here. Let's check the next one. តើឥឡូវយើងមើលអាផ្សេងទៀតបងប្អូនបាទ shake it in water. But this is a green excavator, a very nice excavator. បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាប្រភេទបាទឡានគេហៅថាឡាន X បាទពណ៌ខៀវបាទ green excavator. Now check the next one. បាទនេះបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺ truck បាទ truck គេគាត់ហៅថា Mobil Truk បាទ Mobil Truk បាទ truck របស់យើងបាទ very nice truck. Let's check the next one. White car បាទ white police car, a very nice white police car, very nice, very cute, very interesting. Let's move to the next one. White motorbike, white police motorbike. Let's check the next. I have to shake it in water. Shake it strongly. បាទនេះគឺជាប្រភេទ monster truck អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទប្រភេទ monster truck, a very nice monster truck, green monster truck. Now check the last one. បាទនេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡានគៀដីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទប្រភេទឡានគៀដីដោយបងប្អូនបានឃើញស្រាប់ហើយបាទឡានគៀដីអាហ្នឹងគេហៅ bulldozer អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ Everybody, if you like my video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially click a subscribe button to show your feeling to my video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time.